Well, hello folks. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I've got some more questions for you that have come to me from my viewers and subscribers. And as you can see here, James.8223 about 3 days ago had been watching my video Cast Iron Skillet 101 Top 3 Mistakes Beginners Make. And James asked this question. He said, just a quick question, would you also recommend adding a little oil even when you're cooking bacon? And we've got a couple other people here that replied. One gentleman says add water to it, and another gentleman says start on low. And so from my point of view, James, when you're cooking in cast iron, these two are great pieces of advice as well. You definitely want to not necessarily start on low, but I tend to cook everything around medium heat. So depending on what your stove is, mine, medium is probably around 300 to 350 degrees, somewhere in that range, I'm guessing. But anyway, you need to preheat your cast iron when you're using it, and you definitely need some kind of oil or fat to help while you're cooking. And I never place cold food into a hot cast iron skillet without a little bit of oil or fat or whatever. And I don't actually put cold food into a cold skillet very often either. Now, as far as the heat goes, very rarely do I ever cook above medium or medium high heat, other than like when I'm trying to sear a steak or something like that. And so, if you keep your heat medium, add a little oil, add a little fat, definitely you're going to have a lot better success with your cast iron cooking. And so to answer your question, a long way around this whole ordeal here, James, is yes, even when I'm cooking bacon, I make sure I have a little bit of bacon grease in my skillet. I heat it up, and then I add raw bacon to it to cook my bacon. So anyway, I hope this helps you, and we certainly appreciate the question. And folks, hey, we appreciate all questions, and so just leave us a comment, leave us a question, and we'll certainly try to help you out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron.